Let's now consider some realistic examples using this summary table, which highlights the key points from the main table below. Now let's see formulas in this summary table. The COUNTIFs function counts cells that meet criteria across defined ranges. It examines the range AB13 to AB18, which contains project statuses. The criterion is still on time, counting how many cells match this status, providing a quick snapshot of projects that are on schedule. If we scroll to the column with the project remaining days status, we can see that there is only one project that is still on time, as indicated in the summary table. By updating the dates in column Y, the remaining days status in column AB will automatically refresh, ensuring your project timeline stays accurate and up to date. As the statuses are updated, the COUNTIFs formula in the summary table will also refresh, reflecting the latest project progress. Moreover, the charts on the dashboard will automatically update, providing a real-time visual representation of your project's performance and keeping you informed every step of the way. Now, let's take another example and focus on date ranges. This formula counts entries based on criteria, checking for dates between cell E8 and E9, while ensuring that corresponding entries in another column are not empty. If you add a new row, the formula automatically adjusts to include all records in the specified range, keeping your analysis accurate. Now, if you change the date ranges in cells E8 and E9, the formula will automatically update the records in cell F8, using dates which are in column E. Now, this formula sums values based on specific criteria. It looks at the range in column P, adding amounts only if the corresponding dates in column E fall within a specified range. The start date is from cell I4, and the end date from cell J4, both formatted as them is dis YYYY. The formula checks that each date in column E is greater than or equal to the start date and less than or equal to the end date, providing a total for relevant dates. Now, if you change the date range, the formula will automatically update the total final amount for that specific date range. Using a date range for data analysis is vital. It narrows focus for clearer insights, identifies trends, improves accuracy by filtering irrelevant data, enhances efficiency, and provides context for events, leading to better decision-making. This formula calculates the total sum of all values in the total final amount column of Table 1. It aggregates each entry, providing a single total that reflects the cumulative value of that specific data set, facilitating effective financial analysis and ensuring accurate reporting for informed decision-making.